Hey, Tom Efsakov here. Welcome back to another video. On this video, I want to show you a out-of-the-box method to make money without a budget. Now, what's special about this method is that even when this method specifically dies, the concept behind it and the out-of-the-box thinking lesson behind it is what's going to carry you and allow you to make money fast, on demand, whenever you want, in any niche. So let's talk about one of my products. This is one of my older products, which started with 5, now it's 4 fast cash methods that I used to make money back when I got started. Well, a little bit later, back when I was in 2013, when I was still owning my business, but it didn't take off yet. So I used to make cash from the side doing these methods. And one of the methods is very special. Okay, it has a very good out-of-the-box thinking lesson. So here's how this method works. I'm gonna give you a link to download this urgent cash formula for free down below. Download it, use it. Some of these methods and numbers, they will be outdated. Keep that in mind, that they still work, the concept behind them works, but they will be outdated, the numbers. Because, for example, I use Fiverr here, and the Fiverr no longer costs $5, right? And back in the day, you could charge $5. Someone would do really amazing work for you for $5. Now, you know, all the upsells and processing fees and stuff. So the idea works like this, okay? You go ahead and you sign up as an affiliate to a hosting company that offers good commissions for being an affiliate, for making sales to them. Now, I used to use HostGator, okay? And back then, I think they still do that, actually. Let's go ahead and see, like, HostGator affiliate program. I don't even use HostGator these days. They're not good for launches and for the amount of traffic. But, okay, so they pay, like, if you make 1 to 5 signups per month, they'll pay you $50, and if you make 21 signups per month, you'll get $125. Now, what this means is that you send them a signup that pays, I don't know, $10 a month, but you get paid $125 if you send 21 of those. But the idea is they pay very well upfront, almost upfront, and for not charging that amount in the first place. So if for example, it works like commission, like if I promote a product on JVZoo and ClickBank, I'm gonna try and sell an offer for $250, and I'm gonna make a 50% commission, which is $125. That is one thing. But this is different. This is trying to sell something for $5, $10 a month, maybe a trial, which is what I used, and get paid everything up front, your entire commission up front. And HostGator basically earns on this over the next 3 years. And when it crosses the 120 they paid you, they become very, very successful, very, very rich. Okay, so this is a funnel they've been having for years, and it's very clever. So what I used to do is to go ahead and print a flyer, a white flyer, white page, whatever. Print 100 or 200 of those. It's really cheap. And in that ad, okay, I forgot what I used to write, but want a website done? I will quickly make you a professional website for your business or hobby for free. Call Tom Efsakov. Okay, you make something that simple, and you go to places. Mainly, I used to go to offices in Tel Aviv, in the city here. Just go ahead and put them out there on the street and on billboards and stuff. I used to do this illegally, put it where it's not allowed. I'm not telling you to do stuff illegally. I'm just saying what I used to do. You can do whatever you want. Find some kind of billboard, or think outside the box. Okay, how you can put those pages so people see them in main downtown office buildings. And you are going to provide people with the service of setting a professional website for them for free. And all you ask in exchange when you go ahead and do this deal, you tell them, okay, I'm gonna make it within a week, But the only term I have is that you go ahead and use this coupon code to purchase through this hosting. This is a hosting I recommend very dearly. It's very good, called HostGator. Use this coupon code to get 1 cent trial for the first 30 days, right? Because that's what HostGator allowed. And they will say, oh, okay, cool, sure, no problem. 1 cent, no problem. And you'll do this for free. And they'll ask you, most of them will ask you what's the catch, right? Because they'll call you and you give them your website or you give them your email, and you won't be actually meeting for that kind of job. You don't need to meet for just setting up a website. And you'll tell them that the catch is that you will earn a commission if they purchase through that coupon. They'll say, you know what, fine, you earn a commission. They won't ask how much. You just say, I'm earning a commission. And they'll say, okay, cool, so let's get started. And that is your only term. You go ahead. What you do right now is, instead of actually going out there and building the website and etc., you don't need to do that. They sign up through the hosting, they send you their login details and everything needed to create the hosting, the cPanel, all that stuff. And you go on Fiverr. And you ask someone, you hire someone, you tell them, it used to be $5, these days it can be even 20, but you go ahead and you pay them $20 and you tell them, hey, this is the website, I want you to set up a professional WordPress website with everything with the most important plugins set up, with a nice theme. I want it designed nice, have a nice template, and I just want it to look good and professional, ready for work, right? Ready for etc., etc. And you do that, you pay them the $20, but you have earned $125 on this, or at least 50 if you close one client. And trust me, with this method, you're going to close a lot of clients. In fact, you're going to have more work than you think, and you're probably going to stop or try and outsource it because you'll have too much work to be done. So this is arbitrage method, obviously. So you go ahead and you do this. You deliver them the work, okay? And that is it. And what happened there is you invested $5 to $20, depending on the gig and everything. And what you can do after to make more money, to make a lot more money, is to go to these clients, right? And tell them, hey, you enjoyed the work so far, free, you sign up for my link. I'm looking forward to working with you. It was fun, I'm sorry, to work with you. Here's what you can do right now. If you want me to design you a niche specific website, right, where for example, your business is about real estate, you're a real estate agency, I can design a nice banner for you, a nice logo on the website, have a nice placement, put you some widgets and stuff, make it look very real estate around, and even get you some ideas for content. I can do this for you for only $100, and I'll deliver it obviously within a week again. And they'll say, okay, I've been happy so far, I'll pay you this $100, whatever you want to charge. And then you go to Fiverr again, or any of these services website, and you find gigs like, I'll make a logo. Actually, these days, it used to be back then, these days you have softwares that can make logos. You have free solutions out there like Canva and stuff, where you can invest some time in creating those, but this saves time to that business owner, and these business owners appreciate time saved. So it's really, really powerful. All you need to do is to create that logo nice, and then maybe after you have all the graphics in place, you go to Fiverr, to the same guy that set up the website or someone else, and you pay them again to go ahead and make the website look the way you want it to look, with the real estate stuff after you designed it, or you can outsource it. The expense is going to be once again about $20, $30, $40 overall, and then you go ahead and you make money again from that person. Now that business owner paid you $100 in PayPal. Now I think $100 is underselling for such a service, but whatever you want to charge. So if you can do this and you get 5-10 orders a day, what happens is, next thing you know, you have too much work. You go into places like Elance, or actually doesn't even call Elance these days. You have all these websites with where you can hire people per hour, developers and virtual assistants and stuff. You can start outsourcing and telling them to do the same tasks you were doing, and you will be suddenly getting 20-30 orders. These people will be handling those orders, and you will be sitting on your ass doing absolutely nothing, well, pretty much nothing except accepting orders and speaking to these people, and you'll sort of build a nice little agency. Now, this is where I stopped. I stopped at the outsourcing point. I got confused. I was afraid to invest in outsourcing. I wanted to build my own main business, and I spread myself too thin, and it ruined the entire thing for me. And my reputation did not go really well because people called me. I kept getting those calls, and yeah, I'll speak to you soon. And it ended really bad because I did not go for that outsourcing route, or I accepted too many orders I couldn't handle. So be smart about this, because this can go out of control and you can make a lot of money. This is a very fast cash method. And yes, it's local marketing. Yes, you need to go and do stuff locally, but do not worry. It's so easy and it's not scary, because these people already call you and they're interested. They saw your ad, they're interested. What you can also do is buy a newspaper ad, which will cost you a lot of money, a little bit of money, some local newspaper, and then you'll have some crazy exposure. You can buy a banner ad on websites, on news websites and stuff. So you can, the idea is you can get traffic very easily. The easiest way to get traffic for free is simply to go print some pages and stick them out there and have people call you, and then go ahead and go through this process. Now, even if this method dies, for example, no HostGator and no hosting affiliate program, the idea of out-of-the-box thinking here is that you can go ahead and apply this to anywhere with this thinking. When you offer someone, hey, I'll do this for free, but you're not actually doing this for free. You're getting pages from another source. That is very, very powerful. Another example of this leverage is that when I go ahead and I give people a review on my YouTube about a product, I give it for free. I don't tell them, hey, pay me $10, $20, and I'll do this review for this product for you. No, go ahead and you say, hey, here's the review, here's what I think about the product, and you can go ahead and buy it below if you want to with my bonuses. And if you want to, you'll buy, I'll make a commission, then I earn money, you are happy, and everyone's happy. So the idea is leverage, and a little bit of out-of-the-box thinking can make you rich for a long time. And what I love about this type of thinking is that even if everything fails, you'll find how to do this, even not online, even offline, even if you work as someone in a supermarket who just arranges stuff, and you can have don't have any ideas right now, but the idea is that you can leverage, you can think outside the box, you can go ahead and find other ways to make money, you can offer people value in exchange for something. You can always play with that, and it's a skill you will take for your entire life. So if anything happens, you will always have a way to make money. You will always have a way to feed your family and continue, so, and even get rich. So go ahead, download this ebook below, or PDF, download below, and I'll see you on the other side. I really hope you're going to leave me comments and say, hey, I made this and this and this amount of money. Thanks for the nice stuff. So anyway, thank you very much. Bye bye.